starting at the top of the line, coming around, we go down the line all the way to the junction where we have a rotting eye, turn the corner, and then the PVC dips just before this manhole and then comes back up into here. The water coming from the kitchen, going down to the gully and then out this. Full of roots to the vent pipe, couple of roots, toilet connection, couple of roots, going down to about 1 meter in, we've got roots growing into the line, and then it's quite clear going through. Moving down to the second manhole, which has been cleared out, but there are slight cracks in the grouting allowing roots to grow in on the side. Then moving down from the toilet connection on the left hand side towards the manhole, and roots straight away on the earthenware to PVC connector, and then some slight roots along the way to the manhole. Then moving into the right hand bend, connecting the toilet, going down into the ground. As soon as the PVC converts into clay, we have major roots growing into that join again, moving all the way down to the manhole. The rest of the pipework looks relatively okay. As we come down, as we bend, we have lots of roots here, just as we convert from PVC into earthenware, and then we come all the way through to the manhole. This is the gully line, down the line from the manhole. We have a hidden manhole somewhere around here, and then the drain turns this way to this broken section of earth. And from here we move down the line all the way to this manhole. We go all the way down to the end of the property through to the street. Moving downstream from manhole 5, we run into a couple of roots here midway. And then as we get into the bottom manhole, we have a whole clump of roots that are blocking the outlet and need to be cleaned away.